I'm gonna show you this thing I made. I call this roasted potato and tomahawk chop flavored with thyme and pan sauce. Really easy. And you will look pro if you did the same thing what I did. So yeah, my name's Jet and I'm a cook and I do this for fun. So check this out and I'll show you the recipe. Right? Alright, so today I started my day by just like thinking what to do in my next videos, you know. I mean, this is the nightmare of every YouTubers unless they're, you know, create. Started going to different grocery store, started driving. I went to this one that is popular in our city. It's called Farm Boy. There you go. As you can see, it looks neat, the place. Thinking to get a chicken in there because I'm thinking to make a chicken teriyaki, but honestly I found something else. Alright, so I found this tomahawk chop or Nagano Chop. That one I'm holding. Alright, I've seen that a lot in the cooking show but I never worked with it, so I'm my curiosity. And yeah, the looks of that pork chop looks like, you know, it's nice to plate and make something with it. Along with that is I got a thyme, also a potato. I'm thinking to sit my tomahawk there. Anyways, there's a monkey there. It's telling me to subscribe. I did take my time there and just walk around. After I bought the chop, so I just straight went home. Yeah, I got my goods. So this time I didn't do it in the restaurant. I just went to our home and, you know, I'll show you that I can cook a nice meal. You don't really need to be in the restaurant in order to cook a nice meal. You can do it at home. Yeah, I love filming. So the first thing I did is I grabbed a rack and I work with a pork chop. Right? This is a tomahawk chop and I've seen this a lot everywhere, right? I dry it and I season it and I rest it. The best way to prepare meat is put it in a room temperature, which is, you know, get it out in a fridge and, you know, just let it sit for a while. So it will go to like room temperature. That's what I'm talking about. Put it in a rack and always dry the meat or the beef, right? So there's no excess moisture or liquid when you're seasoning it or something like that. After I prepared the pork chop is, you know, I started doing the potatoes, roasted potatoes. Before you do the potatoes, don't forget to preheat the oven. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and then I just mix it up and throw it in the oven. Right? Usually I go for higher, so it's roast potatoes. So I went for like 400 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven. Now we're just gonna cook this. I'm gonna show you a simple sauce that you can make out of it, and let's go. Alright, so today I'm gonna use a cast iron, right, as a pan, and this is the best pan I can cook this. Heat it to medium high and you'll see the oil will shimmers. If it's hot, looks like it's hot. At the same time, I use thyme, right, that's a French thingy. French tea, a lot of people, most people do that here, especially with steak, right, and they baste it. So you can see basting it's fun. It's, you know, it gives moisture to the pork, right, or anything, even steak. While I'm doing that, I'm just checking my potato on and off, and I'm just really focusing on those. After giving that pork chop a nice color, or like I seared it, I throw it in the oven. I placed it in a rack and just boom, boom. Then after that is I use the same pan to make a sauce, right? When you're making a sauce, you always start from the protein you cook. If you cook chicken or cook beef or steak, right? It's called pan sauce. In order to make a sausage, I dice some onion and throw it in there with the same pan after I pull the pork chop. Then I deglaced it, right? Deglacing means you're lifting all the bits from the pan in order, you know, so you can get it and it will mix with the sauce. You can deglace it using vinegar or using any acidic or even wine. I just use vinegar. Then I added the stock, right, beef stock to make it a sauce, right? I added some thyme, I seasoned it, then I reduced it. I started to boil it and boil it and boil it, right? After a while, when the sauce is getting thicker, I strained it to get off those, you know, things that I don't want to be in the sauce, right? You know, when it's like really getting thicker, the sauce that's where you're gonna adjust it. You're gonna try to salt and pepper to season, right? You're gonna try to like taste it and fix the sauce. Every 1 teaspoon is 1 teaspoon of water too. Mix it slowly and add little by little. And yeah, most of the sauces are in the same way. It's made in like the same way, but just different ingredients. ingredients. Alright, to finish the sauces, I'm just gonna sprinkle some green onion. Right, stew. Look at that sauce. Beauty. And so here it is, and I'm impressed from what I did. I'm actually surprised and I'm really happy. Look at that. That is sick. I'm gonna try the sauce with potato first though. Perfect. I like the sauce because it didn't taste like salty or sweet. It's just normal. It's really simple to do. It's just a lot of effort and a lot of time to do this, right? Rate my dish and feel free to comment. I hope you like it and I hope you follow the recipe. That's everything, and thank you for watching. Alright, I hope you learn, and goodbye.